Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to view your screenshots and your video clips that you've saved on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So the media gallery is back on the PlayStation 5, and this makes it very easy to view all your saved screenshots and your video clips. But how can you go ahead and find this? So if I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, if I haven't been to the media gallery in a little while, it will not display it on the home screen. So how can you go ahead and find this? So there's two different ways that you can go ahead and find this. If you scroll all the way to the right under games, and then go to your game library, then if you tab over to installed, you should be able to find it under here easily. So here's Media Gallery. I can go ahead and select this and now open it up. Now the other way that you can go ahead and find it is on your controller. If you go ahead and press the share button and hold this down, it's going to open up the share window. Now if we scroll over to the left to our most recent screenshot or saved video and select it with X, we can go ahead and tab through these just to see them and open them up and watch them in real time. We can share them. We can edit them, we can favorite them, or we can delete them. But right under that is go to Media Gallery. If we select this, it's going to go ahead and open up the same page, the Media Gallery page. Now I highly suggest going over to the left to sort and filter, and just make sure this is sorted by date, added, new to old. So your newest clips and videos will show up at the top. So this makes it very easy to see your most recent saves. So here's a video clip I recently saved playing Call of Duty Black Ops. Now there's some options under here like copy to USB drive. That's very useful if we want to move this over to our computer, or edit in Share Factory Studios. Or if we want to save or upload this to Twitter or YouTube, or put it in one of our parties. Now if we use R1 and tab over to favorites, we can see our favorites, trophies. Now there is a setting on the PlayStation 5 when you get a trophy, it will save a screenshot automatically, and this will appear here. Then here's all the different albums, and this will be by game. So if this video did indeed help you out find your favorite screenshots and your video clips, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.